And that's what the finished thing looks like. Got the cap on the end, put glue on that. Steel-toe boots opened into that time. And got it all the way down in there, got about 4 inches deep. And customers are going to patch it back. Put it in there, put a little brace on it so it's not going to go anywhere. Once it gets patched back, that won't be as flimsy, and then all that stuff's in there pretty hard. So, pretty good. Alright, I just got my exit probe, Cartell CP3 exit probe installed, and I was going to do a final test. That whole thing took, I got here at 6:30, it's 8:30 right now. Let's go ahead and hit this exit probe. See it up there, we're going to hit it. And we can see our gate opening up. Alright. And then we'll, as usual, we'll test the safety device. I'm off the probe. Okay, photo eye's working. Time to go home, go on to the, well, not time to go home. It's 8:30, my day's just starting. Time to go on and finish the next one. Y'all have a great day. Move to Texas, please.